Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1 2 Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete pins on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete pins on your Pinterest, you just simply have to open your Pinterest application. Then after opening the Pinterest application, you just simply have to go into your profile page and select the pin that you want to delete. And after selecting the pin that you want to delete, you will get to see these three dots into the top right corner. Just simply tap into that three dots and then you will get the option to edit into the manage section. Click into that edit button. Then after that, you can see so many options into here, and among them one of the option is into the bottom left corner with the dustbin icon. In order to delete your pin, you just simply have to tap into that dustbin icon and then the delete option will appear. Just simply tap into this delete button and then your pin will be deleted from the Pinterest. By following these very easy steps, you can also delete your pins on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.